If you want to tap into the stream of free, high-quality search engine traffic, you need to be doing SEO. Unfortunately, building links yourself or even outsourcing your SEO without knowing the secrets of the trade is likely going to get your website penalized. Strategies that worked as little as a few months ago can now get you on Google's bad side. So if you don't know these things, you are running blind in a minefield. And with so much outdated and downright dangerous advice on the internet, it's hard to find strategies that actually work. If you've been looking for a reliable source of insider information, you're going to love the SEO Secrets course. It's an easy-to-follow program that gets you up to speed with the most powerful SEO and link building strategies that work today, and shows you how to make more money from free Google traffic. You'll learn how to assess your current link profile and exactly what to do to get back on Google's good side. You'll know how to avoid little-known SEO traps that cause your site to get slapped. You'll discover the secrets of building healthy, long-term links that make your rankings go up. You'll be able to spot link-building opportunities that others have missed. You'll know how to take advantage of these opportunities using well-known SEO tools. You'll know exactly what to do to protect yourself from negative SEO attacks. And perhaps most importantly, you'll know how to future-proof your website so you never have to worry about getting wiped out in the next algorithm update. It's time you stop hoping for the best and finally start experiencing real results from your SEO. Go ahead and get the SEO Secrets course now. I promise you'll be glad you did.